In this video, we'll give you a quick and easy guide to checking and topping up car oil levels. Here's what you'll need to check and top up car engine oil: a lint-free cloth, the correct engine oil for your car. Okay, let's get started. First, make sure your car is parked on a flat surface and that your car engine has been switched off for at least 10 minutes. Open your car bonnet and locate the oil dipstick, which is usually colourful for easy identification. Pull out the dipstick and wipe off excess oil with a clean, lint-free cloth. Insert the stick back into the pipe, then pull it out again and look at the film of oil on the end of the stick. The oil level will ideally be between the low and high marks on the dipstick. If the oil appears to be below the low mark on the dipstick, you'll need to add more engine oil immediately until the reading is between the two marks. If oil is required, you'll need to locate the oil filler cap and remove it. Then slowly pour oil into the opening. Using a funnel will help avoid oil spillages, and by pouring slowly, you can avoid overfilling and oil leaks. Be sure to use the correct oil for your car, which will be listed in your car's handbook. Congratulations! You just learned how to check and top up car engine oil. If you enjoyed our video, be sure to like and subscribe for more great motoring guides, tips and tricks.